Hey everyone, Brian here, your honest mechanic. In this video, we're promptly going to talk about something that can really mess up your transmission if not addressed. A clogged transmission filter. Now I know what you're thinking. A filter? How big of a deal can that be? Well, let me tell you, a clogged transmission filter can lead to all sorts of issues that you definitely don't want to ignore. Without wasting any more time, let's get into it. First off, you might start noticing that your transmission is slipping. This means that you could be cruising along and suddenly it feels like the gears are changing for no reason, or your car is struggling to accelerate. It's like your transmission just can't make up its mind. Another thing you might experience is a delay when shifting from park to drive or between other gears. You'll put it in drive, and it'll take a few seconds longer than usual to actually engage. Sometimes you'll even hear a revving noise as it struggles to get into gear. Speaking of shifting issues, a clogged filter can also lead to erratic or unpredictable shifting patterns. 1 minute you're in third gear, the next you're in fifth, and then you're back in third again. It's like your transmission is having an identity crisis. But wait, there's more. A clogged filter can restrict the flow of transmission fluid, which can cause your transmission to overheat. And let me tell you, an overheated transmission is not a happy transmission. It's like trying to run a marathon in a sauna, not a good idea. You might also start hearing some funky noises coming from your transmission like whining, buzzing, or humming sounds, especially noticeable at low speeds or when changing gears. It's like your transmission is trying to communicate with you in Morse code, but you don't speak the language. In some cases, a clogged filter can even lead to transmission fluid leakage. And we all know that's never a good sign. It's like your transmission is crying out for help, but instead of tears, it's leaking fluid. And if all of that wasn't enough, many modern vehicles have sensors that will trigger a warning light on your dashboard if there are transmission issues, including problems with the transmission filter. It's like your car is trying to tell you, hey, something's not right here. So if you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it's time to get your vehicle checked out by a professional mechanic. Ignoring a clogged transmission filter can lead to even bigger, more expensive problems down the road. Trust me, you don't want to mess around when it comes to your transmission. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive tips and tricks. And if you have any other questions or topics you'd like me to cover, leave them in the comments below. Until next time, stay honest and keep those engines running smoothly.